It is common knowledge that most people over the age of 18 own a plot, either through inheritance or through hard work and a lot of savings. But the question we pose today is, sasa kwa sababu uko na ploti yenye hulimangi na hutaki kuuza, what are you going to do about it? Okay, let me paraphrase. You don't have a plan, right? That's why we are here today. My name is Mungai Kihara and this is African Real Estate, and we want to showcase what we can give you for only 12 million Kenya shillings on the plot that you already have. Through our developers and our partners, 47 Investment Company.
47 Investment, building Kenya, one project at a time. Wow!
We can give you a unit like this, which is a 4-bedroom mansion with a print area of around 250 square meters, more or less. If you got a plot like this, which is a 50 by 100, maybe 40 by 80, or a bigger plot, this would be a perfect residence for you. So if you want to stop renting, you need to call us in the number that will be attached down here. From there, you can agree with me that the unit has been done very well. The developer only took like 5 months to complete this unit from scratch all the way to how you can see it right now. Tell me, what do you think about it? Has it been done very well? If you would want to get a flat roof, we have other videos that we have attached in this channel, and they are done by this developer, Mr. 47. This unit has been developed in Kitengela in one of the estates that were sold by Optiven. And as you can see, the developer was able to play with the lot to give you massive unit like that one and a front yard here where you can sit and relax. And below this green space, you get your biodigester, which will be able to deal with all the waste that you will be getting out of that unit. On this other side, you are getting your parking area, which is a 5-car parking, and that was a request from the owner of this unit. You are also getting a sliding gate, which can be automated to make it very easy for you to get in and out of these premises. From there, you are directly facing the entrance porch of the unit, and above it, you get the primary balcony. From there, you'll be enjoying the view of your cars and the compound. So if you have several kids and they are doing their biking here or playing their football, you'll be able to monitor them without any problem. For security reasons, this is a gated estate with manned security 24 hours, but the owner went ahead and added a 24 hours surveillance system. It's something that you can do, and Mr. 47 would help you to get through it. Before I take all of you inside, this unit comes with some extras. On the front side, you get a front yard and a parking. On the rear side, you have an employee quarters, the guest bathroom, and the kitchen garden. We will see that later. Let's proceed. This is very beautiful. The developer has shown his workmanship. Just look at this living room. It would easily fit a 9-seater couch, and the blending of colors and the craftsmanship is just on another level. Getting your own house gives you a lot of customization. This client wanted a chimney, and this developer was able to give them exactly that. If you would want your customizations, or there is something that you have always wanted, this developer will be able to sit down with you and make your dream come true. Right now, we are in the dining room. It has been done very well. It has been designed to fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set. You are getting 2 big windows for enough natural light, and on my far left, you get a vanity which comes with several compartments where you can keep your washing detergents. The dining area is opening to the kitchen, and you are getting this platform where you can add 4 chairs or 5 chairs to make it a breakfast table or a minibar. From there, what do you think about the kitchen? What do you think about the size? I love the cabinetry. It has been done very well. You are getting a hood on that side, and that denotes that that's where you should have your cooking area. And on my right hand side, that's where you should have your washing area. And there is a provision there for the dishwasher. Let me take you inside. The kitchen gives you a very good angle. From here, you will see that the kitchen comes with enough cabinetry for the storage of all your utensils, your crockery, and your cutlery. The refrigerator should be on this side, and next to it you have the pantry, and this is for the dry foods, and the refrigerator is for the things that you need to keep cool. As I mentioned, this is your cooking area, and you have a walkway here that is taking you to the laundry area, which is outside, and the employee quarters. Let's see that. The laundry area comes with 2 sections. This is the outside section, and this is the inside section where you can do your washer and dryer. If you want to do other laundry activities, you can do them out here. This is the employee quarters, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and on the far front, you have a guest bathroom. Come to this side. As I said, 1/8 of an acre is a big lot. This developer was able to give this client a kitchen garden, and right now you can see we have some kales, some spinach, nyanya ziko tayari, so by the time they are moving in, they'll be able to have a good family meal. The clotheslines area, and as you can see, you are surrounded by a perimeter wall, a razor wire, an electric fence, and a 24 surveillance system with several cameras. Let's go back inside. From the kitchen, you have the common washroom. We'll see that in a minute. What I want you to see is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is of a substantial size, and it comes with a massive window for enough natural light. And directly opposite to the window, you get the guest closet. Partitionings are excellently done, giving you some spaces for the foldable clothes, some spaces for the hangable clothes, 2 drawers down there, and extra compartments where you can keep the clothes that you rarely use. The guest bedroom comes with a bathroom, and the size is massive. From the time we started working with Mr. 47, I've never seen him doing such bathrooms. Congratulations, you are finally there. As you can see, you are getting a shower cubicle, and it comes with a mirror separation. A vanity is on my left hand side, and this side has been left for your WC. From the guest bedroom, we have the guest bathroom here, and as you can see, it is utilizing the area under the staircase. It's a nice thought. The staircase is taking you to the upper level where we have the other 3 bedrooms, and if you would want to see the shorter version of this video, make sure you check our TikTok or our Instagram. For the people who want to purchase homes, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection from us. The staircase will lead you to the family room, which is on my far front. On my right hand side, you get the primary bedroom, and on my left hand side, you get the 2 kids' bedrooms. The family room is an excellent space for you and your family, and you would easily do a 5-seater couch here. And on my far front, this is where you are supposed to do your TV, just in case you like enjoying movie nights. This is just a sample of what can be installed. Right now they are using it for the CCTV cameras because it's too tiny. You can't see a movie here unless you have one eye. Anyway, on this other side, the family room comes with a balcony. And from the balcony, you'll get the best views of Kitengela. This part of Kitengela has really developed, and the estate has one motive: to plant a lot of trees. And right now we have thousands of them. So if you happen to purchase a plot in this area, come with your trees. We need more. Right now we are in the primary bedroom, and it has been done very well. I'm loving the size of it. You can get an enough space for you to do a king size or a queen size bed, and you'll get an extra space on this side where you can do 2 or 3 chairs, pahali ya kurelax na mtu wako while you're discussing serious business. On this other side, you get one set of the closet, and it is big enough and very well partitioned for you and your partner. You have some space here just in case you want an extra closet or you have a crazy appetite of shopping. If that is not enough, we have another set of closet in the bathroom. This is where you look at yourself before you go to work, because you need to be smart. You can't come from such a unit and not be smart. So you get a full-size mirror to give you the best image of yourself. Let's proceed. Right now we are in the primary bathroom, and it is uniquely done because you are getting a bathtub, and on top of the bathtub you are getting a shower cubicle. This is a unique design, maybe an American design, maybe an English design, I don't know. If you have any idea, make sure you comment down here. The WC is on this far right. On my far left, you get the vanity, and on my far front, you get extra compartments for the things that you regularly use in the bathroom, and a mini dresser which comes with some drawers, maybe for your jewelries or anything else that you would want to have. You're also getting an extra full-size mirror. Let's discuss this view. And it is the view of your front side of your unit, where you should be parking your cars. If you have extra coins on top of 12 million Kenya shillings, you can do a car shade, maybe a 4-car shade on that side. Add your Range Rovers or your Land Cruisers, hazitapata kupigwa na jua. As you can see, the green space is there, and from here you'll be able to see your neighbors in the morning when you wake up. From the primary, let's see the children bedrooms. This is the first one, and it is of a substantial size to fit a 4x6 or a 5x6 bed. The closet is on my left hand side. It is not floor to ceiling, though it is of a substantial height. Done excellently, good partitionings, and it is directly opposite that window to make sure that you can easily access your clothes during the day. The first bedroom and the second bedroom share this bathroom. Let's see it. You get a WC on this side, a shower cubicle that has a glass separation, and in the shower cubicle you get a rain head and a handheld. On my far front, you are getting a vanity which comes with several compartments to keep all your toiletries. This is the second bedroom, and it is a perfect replica to the first one. Everything is similar, with a closet on my right and a big window on my left. The ceiling heights are excellent, and the colors are blending very well. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. The unit has been constructed by 47 investment company at only 12 million Kenya shillings. If you have maybe half of that, we can give you a bungalow. If you have double that amount, we can give you a mega mansion. So call us in the number that will be attached up here.